Hello, good morning to you all. Today I received a comment asking me like how we can open system launcher on our Android mobile. So this is on my Realme mobile, and for your mobile also maybe the options will be similar only. So all this UI and these apps and these actions, all these are going through this look and feel, and everything is going through with this launcher. Actually the launcher will start everything, the startup and everything. So for me there is no external launcher but the Realme system launcher only. How to open this? Just you need to click on your phone settings first, and here you'll find like apps. For me in Realme, for few mobiles it will be apps and management. Clicks on apps, and here app management. Here are the list of all the apps installed on your mobile. But to get system launcher you won't find it in his list, but you need to click on these three dots and click on show system. So actually system launcher is a system app, so once you click on this option only you will find this. Now search as system launcher, just search like this. See here, actually many are facing like the system launcher is keep stopping or crashing or something like that. Maybe we can clear the cache of this, but first of all we need to find this app. So this is how you can find system launcher on your Android mobiles. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.